What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope everyone is having a pretty good day. Today we got a problem. Hopefully it's not a big problem, but basically today I got a call from one of my locations that the soda machine was empty, which I thought about it and that was kind of weird because I checked online to see like exactly what drinks sold, because I do have a credit card reader on that machine and I can just go online to see like what item sells. So I went online, I checked the machine, and the machine is literally full. I think only 4 cans of soda sold, and I actually have no idea what it could be. You know, hopefully it's just something simple like a jam. But anyways, we're gonna be going out to that location, and since I'm there, I'm gonna go ahead and restock the 4 machines that I do have in that location. So we are gonna have like a mini collection in this video, so I hope you guys do enjoy that. It was supposed to be my off day today. You know, I was laying down watching TV and they called me, so now we gotta go and go make some money. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys do, drop a like, subscribe, and let's get started. Alright everyone, so I am at Sam's Club right now. As you guys can see, I am in the candy section right now, and I have like a little list of exactly what I need for tomorrow. As you guys can see, I only need 1 box of Sour Patch. So where's the Sour Patch? Oh, it's right over there. Okay, I always get the watermelon instead of the Sour Patch Kids because I feel like this one actually sells better. I don't really need too many pastries today. The only one I need is sugar donuts, and I also need cinnamon rolls. So go ahead and grab that. Again, remember, always grab the ones from the very bottom. And there we go. I always come to Sam's either when they're gonna open or when they're gonna close, because that way I can record. Because if I record in front of people, it's kind of awkward, I'm gonna be honest. I know you guys saw me get root beer. I know I said root beer was disgusting, which it still is, but the location I'm going to, they actually told me if I can put root beer in the machine. So I mean, I guess I'll go ahead and put it in and see how it does. Hopefully it does sell, because I've actually never sold root beer before, so let's see if it does sell. I also went ahead and grabbed more Mountain Dew and some Sprite and some more Monster. Monster sells really good. Now let's go pay and see how much it is. Okay, let's go. Alright everyone, so right now I'm gonna be going on my way to the location to go check out the machine. Like I said, hopefully nothing is wrong with the machine, and since I'm there, I'm gonna go ahead and stock up all the machines. I do have 4 machines in that location. But anyways, let's go to the location and check out the machine. Alright everyone, as you guys can see, I am here at the warehouse location. I'm gonna go ahead and start with all these snacks. So I'm gonna take these snacks inside, fill up the snack machine, and while I'm inside, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the soda machine. That way I can show you guys that the machine is actually full of soda. By the way, last night when I was putting in all these snacks and chips in my back seat, I was literally playing Tetris with all these snacks and all these chips. I thought someone was gonna be coming with me today, so I didn't put anything in the front seat, but they couldn't come, so I just went ahead and left everything in the back seat, and now it's gonna be a struggle taking everything out. Okay, look guys, as y'all can see, the drinks are full. The Coke is full, Diet Coke is full, Dr. Pepper is all the way full, and the machine is working because other columns are working. For example, the Orange Crush is almost sold out, the Monster sold out, so the machine is working. What I'm gonna have to do is take all these drinks out from right here and, you know, make sure that everything is working down there, and just put them back in there and test it out and see if it works again. Okay guys, so I still can't figure it out, but what I was looking at is, I think instead of only being 1 row of soda, I think there's supposed to be 1 right here and another one right next to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 side by side. Okay, so I thought I fixed it, but every single time I will test it out, 2 cans will come out at the same time. So I think it should be good now. I switched up a few things, so now let's go ahead and test it. Okay, Coke. Come on, only 1, come out. Let's see. Yes. Okay, I figured it out. Okay guys, so the problem was that it's supposed to be like this. As you guys can see, there's 4 cans of soda in each column, and they used to be like this with only 1 can. I also didn't know you had to switch the size of the can at the very bottom over here. The size used to be for bottles, but I fixed it. I changed it from bottles to cans, and now I gotta go through every single one of them and do the same thing like I did with the first one. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the money and just go ahead and see how much we made. Okay, so this is actually about half. I took the other half just to test out the machine. But let's see if we have any quarters. We got a few. I'm going to put that in there for now. Okay, so finally, after 3 hours of being here, guys, I finally fixed the machine. But basically, if you couldn't tell what was wrong with the machine, you're supposed to have 2 rows of soda, which I only had 1. So after they would buy a few sodas, the machine would think that, you know, it's empty. But I actually had no idea how to fix it. Like, I literally had no clue. That's why it took me so long. A lot of people ask me, how did I learn to fix machines? Did someone teach me? Or, you know, how did I learn? And I basically taught myself. Everything I know how to fix is because I've had a problem with it in the past. And I've never had this problem before. That's that's why it took me so long. But I finally know how to fix it. In the future, if it happens again with another machine or with this machine, then it's gonna be pretty easy. I can do it in like 2 minutes. But anyways, like I said, I've been here too long. I still have to go refill the 2 machines at the back of the warehouse. So let's go back there, and that way we can go home. Okay, so I was able to get all the drinks in here, and this is the soda machine that's in the back of the warehouse. As you guys can see, there's a sign that says no dimes, because for some reason when I put a dime, the coin mechanism gets stuck and then it doesn't take any more dollars or coins. Alright, so let's check this out. So Coke is completely out, Sprite is still good, Mountain Dew is good, Dr. Pepper is always completely out. So that's pretty good. I mean, the other soda machine didn't sell a lot, but at least this one did pretty good. Let's see how much money we got in here. Alright you guys, so the machine is pretty much stocked up. That's all the Coke and Dr. Pepper that I'm gonna go ahead and put in for now. I got the Gatorade back there filled up. Check this out. So I actually have the soda in here for 50 cents, which I know is pretty low. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it to 75 cents right now. Hopefully they, they don't say anything. But I mean, it's business, at the end of the day, you gotta make money. So from 50 cents to 75. Enter. And it's good to go. Let's go. Alright, so I have all the snacks ready. Hopefully I'm not crushing anything. Let me make sure. I don't want to have anything squished. Let's go ahead and stock up the snack machine now. Here it is. It's looking pretty empty. Look at that. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows gone. We got a few. Oh, look what happened to the Kit Kats. I think the coil messed up. Okay, first things first, of course, let's check out the money. Okay, so that's pretty good compared to the other 2 machines in the front. That is a pretty good stack. So let me take that out. Now let's see how many coins we got. Not too much, but we did get a pretty good stack of bills, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there for now. Alright guys, so I pretty much just finished. As you guys can see, look how nice it looks. So you guys might be wondering why those 2 coils are empty. I just found out that they don't work, so I do have to leave them empty, but everything else is pretty much full. It's good to go. All the pastries were gone, so they're all the way stocked up into the back, as well as everything else. The Kit Kat, I only put 1 because if I put more, then the coil is gonna mess up. I do have to buy a bigger coil for that. But I mean, everything else, like I said, is pretty much done. So let's go ahead and go. I kind of just threw all the money in here, but as you guys can see, this is all the money that I made from that location. I don't want to take it out because all the quarters are gonna fall, but so that's part of the bills. I still have a lot more in there. It's all messed up right now, so I'm gonna count it as soon as I get home. For those of you that didn't know, this is actually my best location that I have right now. And even though that first soda machine was messing up and I had the soda for 50 cents at the second soda machine, like I said, it was still my best location, so I should be making a lot more money now that the first machine is fixed, and now that I raised the price from 50 cents to 75 cents in the second soda machine. Guys, I feel so dumb. So I've been driving for about 30 minutes now, and the last soda machine I filled up at that location, I completely forgot to put the Gatorade label in the machine. That way people can know that I put Gatorade, because I took out the Powerade to put in the Gatorade, and so I took out the Powerade label and I completely forgot to put the Gatorade one in. So now people are gonna have no idea that there's Gatorade in the machine. Guys, I feel so dumb. Alright you guys, so I'm finally home. I do have all the money still in here. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. I'm gonna count it, and let's see how much money we made. Alright, so before I count the money, this is the amount of bills we got from that location. Before I let you know how much money this is, comment down below how much you think it is, okay? Don't cheat, okay? Pause the video, go down to the comment section, and let me know how much money you think this is. Are you guys ready to see how much money we made in 10 days? Let me tell you real quick. So in bills, we got a total of $154. In coins, we got $44 with 35 cents. And in credit card sales, we got $48 with 25 cents, which brings the grand total to $246 with 60 cents. As you guys saw, that was a pretty good collection for only 10 days. I'm actually really excited because, like I said earlier in the video, I did raise the price on the soda machine and also the other machine machine is fixed. So I'm really curious to see how much money we are gonna make in the next collection. How much money do you guys think I'm gonna collect next time I go to this location? Let me know down below in the comment section. Also, by the way guys, I had some extra clips that I was gonna put at the end of this video because I thought that it wasn't gonna be over 10 minutes, but it actually came out over 10 minutes. So instead of me uploading a video, you know, in the next 3 or 4 days, I'm gonna go ahead and upload the other video in 2 days instead. Also, by the time you guys were watching this video, I think I should be at 50,000 subscribers already, which is crazy. Like I said before, I am doing a giveaway as soon as I hit 50,000. I'm gonna be making a video on that in the next couple days, so you guys watch out for that video. But again, I hope everyone enjoyed the video, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.